Let me take you on a trip to the Niagara Falls in Ontario, Canada. Niagara Falls is one of the famous waterfall in the world you can visit, and is the border between the United States and Canada. You see the bridge over there, you can cross over from Canada to the United States. So the Niagara Falls is a group of three different waterfalls, and which are the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. The Horseshoe Fall is the largest of the three waterfalls, while the American and Bridal Veil Fall are the smaller ones, and they lie within the United States. So stay with me. We're going to take a closer look at the waterfalls after we park our car. So welcome to the Niagara Park. It's a wonderland. So come with me while we take a closer look at the fall, the rainbow. So this is the Niagara River, and one of the largest waterfall in the world. Okay, you see? See? So some important things that strike me about this Niagara Fall is that it's the source of hydroelectric power for Ontario, and also a tourist center. You can see people from different parts of the world, or visitors, come to this fall as tourists. This is so beautiful. You can see this is one of the falls. You will want to see this at night. This towards the evening is so colorful at night. You see it towards the end of this video. God is so awesome. This is me. So this is the fall at night. So colorful. You can see the United States at the other end of the river. As New York in United States, as Buffalo City. Yes, the lights. And this is what we have. So from here in Canada, you can see United States. So you can enter United States with your eyes. So beautiful. So this is a boat cruise for those who are interested in entering the river, maybe to see closely. But me, I cannot enter that boat. So thank you for watching.